This is a new solution for iOS 15, new process to unlock any iPhone via MKSD4 attached to the smart card. First things first, you're going to select ICC ID MNC, ICC MNC manual, and you're going to put a new ICC ID that I'm going to put here just for my customers, and you're going to hit send. And you're going to hit accept. And it says no service. And this is a, let me see, iPhone XS Max, iOS 15, 19.8.346. This is the final release for the iOS 15, and this phone, it is AT&T. No SIM restrictions. I don't need the chip. I don't need the chip anymore, like, because I'll use my smart card attached to the MKSD4. Now, instead of getting SIM not supported, AT&T. Let me take out the Wi-Fi.
Welcome to AT&T Prepaid.
AT&T Prepaid. And data is working. With the new iOS, everything is, the new tabs are on the bottom. So it's working. Let's go to the next one. And I convert this to be reusable. See? Now let me take this back. I'm done with iPhone number 1. Let's go to iPhone number 2. This is an Sprint iPhone XR. iPhone XR. Final release, iOS 19.8.346. This phone is SIM locked to a Sprint. And this should be the same process as the smart card. It's gonna be the same results. Just for you throwing this in, just for you to see. SIM not supported. Take my AT&T and I'm gonna put my MKSD4 attached to my MKSD4. Two softwares working at the same time. Activation required. And we should have the same unlocking steps. See? Let me close settings, open settings once again, about XR15, SIM not restrictions. The engineers might be working on the new smart card software. I'm not an engineer. I'm just trying to find new ways to keep doing what I love to do, and it's working.
Welcome to AT&T Prepaid. But
It is working to any SIM card. Let me see if I have any other. My old Spectrum, I had to get a prepaid service to do my tests. I do still have my Spectrum over here. And the phone acts like it is factory locked. Spectrum LTE. Data is working. Refresh. And as you can see, my Spectrum connection is a little bit slower than AT&T, but it is what it is. I'm paying $15 a month for my Spectrum. It is working fine for me because I'm connected to Wi-Fi most of the time, but it's working, guys.
welcome to Spectrum Mobile.
Okay, I'm gonna drop the description where you can get these two, and for customers only, I will provide the steps and the special code that you need to put in. Customers only. Well, have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.